Hey everybody, it's Neil. Check out what I have here. It is a stadium seat with back support. So I'll show you guys this. Put up my trunk a little bit more. And here we are opening it. And it's a stadium seat with back support right there. So let's see if we can figure out how to do this and how it works. It's funny, the plastic is stuck to the box, but here we go. So this is the seat right here. And it looks like it'll just go like that. And then you can kind of have it set up however you want. That's kind of pretty easy. Easy peasy right there. And then it looks like here we have a little storage thing. Is that what that is underneath it? It Velcros out. So we can do this. So if we are at a stadium, we can stick that underneath onto the seat, so it'll hold it in place. That's cool. And then we're given a little cup holder here. We can put our little cup there and our other stuff there. And we have a nice little stadium seat. So let me give this thing a try here. Let me just fold these up because I don't have a stadium right here. I am just in the back of my car. So I'm gonna put this down here. I'll aim y'all down so you can see. This is what it looks like here. So this is our seat. And here is Neil sitting there. Oh, it's got a really thick cushion on it. It's actually really nice and nice to kind of lean back a little bit too. So you would totally be able to lean way back in a stadium because it's got those clips that are gonna be grabbing onto the front of the thing. So it'll just totally hold you on. This is cool. This basically gives you a nice seat and it gives you an extra couple of inches of height too. So if you're shorter, this will be good for that too. Folds up super nice and small here. Let me do it correctly. You can put these sides in like that. Fold it over like that. Velcro it in there, and there we go. And now we can hold it from this. It even has the little handle kind of right there, that part there. So hold it, and super easy. It's not too heavy. It looks like we could put straps on it if we really wanted to strap it on and hold it that way. So we're good. Let's see if there's anything I'm missing here. Probably not, because it looks pretty straightforward. Yeah. Looks good to me. I like it. Nice little stadium seat. Thumbs up.